Hello student, today we'll discuss about the alcohols, IUPAC name of alcohol. Here are some questions I have given that you have to write down all the structure 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 10 structures are here. Okay, then classify them as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, and as well as you have to in second question you have to find out allylic alcohol as well as benzylic alcohol. Okay, first of all I will tell you this. See, this is CH2H, C, CH3, and here CH3, CH3. Okay, you write on every structure. Now, here CH2H, CH double bond CH2. Here, benzene ring is there, CHOH, CH3. And then PH, CH2, CHOH, CH3. Now, PH, CH double bond CH, C, CH3, CH3, OH. PHC, CH3, C2H5, OH. You write down all the structure, take pause your video and write down all the structure, and then this CH3, CH2, CH2OH, and benzene ring and CH2OH, and then it is PHCOH, PHCH3 phenyl group, that is benzene ring I have not made again. Instead of benzene ring I wrote PH, and then CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2OH. Okay, so how do you will proceed for it? Now I will tell you that. First of all, you should know what is primary alcohol. So the CH2OH grouping is called primary alcohol. This carbon is primary carbon because it is attached with only one carbon. Okay, so it is called primary alcohol. And so this is primary alcohol. So what is the IUPAC naming of it? 1, 2, 3. The total carbon 3. So it will be propane. Okay, now at second carbon there are two methyl groups, CH3, CH2. There are two methyl groups, that is why we will call it 2, 2 dimethyl propane 1-ol. In first position there is this OH group, so we will call propane 1-ol. And see here second one, CH2 double bond CH, CH2OH. Here also that grouping, 1 degree alcohol grouping is here. See, I am making it round. CH2H grouping, CH2H grouping, here also CH2H grouping. So you have to search in your example where are CH2H grouping, and accordingly you have to name it. Okay, now you draw now after that, see here at the bottom PHCH2H, that is benzyl alcohol. It is also having CH2H grouping, so you will call it primary alcohol. Okay, now in the bottom again CH2, CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2H, that is called allylic primary alcohol. Okay, after some time I will tell you what is allylic carbon. Now I'll tell you. The carbon which is sp3 hybridized and it is adjacent to C double bond C carbon is known as allylic carbon. And the OH group, if it is attached with allylic carbon, it is called allyl alcohol. Again I repeat, the carbon which is adjacent to C double bond C carbon is called allylic carbon, means I am making a star. This carbon is allylic carbon, and since OH group is attached to this allylic carbon, that is why we call it allylic alcohol. Now this point is clear to you? Here it is benzyl alcohol because this benzyl alcoholic group is attached with pH. So PHCH2OH is known as benzyl alcohol. This is aromatic alcohol. So we understand. Do you understand what is primary alcohol? The alcohol which is having CH2OH grouping is called primary alcohol or 1 degree alcohol also. I am writing here 1 degree. Okay, 1 degree alcohol. So here whatever group are there, need not to worry. If it is CH2OH grouping, it is 1 degree alcohol, right? So 2, 2 dimethyl propanol, propane 1-ol, you have to write on propane 1-ol, and this is primary alcohol, or it is called also 1 degree alcohol. Now we'll go for the secondary alcohol. Here this carbon is secondary carbon. OH group is attached with secondary carbon. What is secondary carbon? The carbon which is attached with two other carbons. See here, when benzene ring is there. Okay, now here C, here H and OH I am writing again so that it will be clear to you. And here it can be CH3 group, it can be other CH2, CH3 group. So need not to worry. Whatever the group will be there, here I am writing condensed form CHOH. CHOH here, and this is benzene ring. From anywhere, this position I write. Okay, so what does it mean? I want to tell you that CHOH grouping only, everywhere CHOH grouping. Okay, here also CHOH grouping. Here also CHOH grouping. So the secondary carbon having CHOH grouping, or that is OH group is attached to the 2-degree carbon atom, right? Means the carbon which is attached with 2 other carbon is called secondary carbon, and the OH group which is attached with 2-degree carbon is called 2-degree alcohol or secondary alcohol. Now here we'll go for tertiary alcohol. What are tertiary alcohol? That in this case COH are means one carbon atom is attached with 3 other carbon. This carbon is attached with this carbon and this carbon, 3 more other carbon atoms. That is why this carbon is called, I am making star, this carbon is called tertiary carbon, and OH group since attached to it to the tertiary carbon, that is why we call this alcohol is tertiary alcohol. So the OH group present in the carbon chain, it is called alcohol. We call it alcohol. It can be phenol, it can be allylic alcohol, it can be benzylic alcohol. We will discuss it later on. First of all, you should know what is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Okay, so it is 4-phenyl 4-methyl but 3-ene 2-ol. First of you have to make the 10 structure first and try by yourself. So you will find if any problem, then you have to see the answers. So it will give you a clear-cut idea whether you understand 1-degree alcohol, 2-degree alcohol and 3-degree alcohol or not. Clear to you? Okay. Now we'll go for the next one. Here see PHCOH CH3 C2H5. Here how many carbons are there? Now we'll count this carbon also. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 carbon here, 3 and 4. Total 4 carbon. So it is butane. In which carbon OH group it is attached? In the second carbon. So we'll write on 2-ol. This 2-ol tells us about the position and location of OH group. It doesn't don't understand that is we are writing 2-ol means it is secondary alcohol. Never. It can be, it cannot be. Okay, so we have to see whether other groups are present to it or not. If other groups are present, so it will other carbon groups are attached with this carbon, so it will be not 2-degree alcohol. It is 3-degree alcohol here because this carbon is attached with benzene ring, methyl group and ethyl group. Clear? So it will be 2-phenyl butane 2-ol. We start numbering from here 1, 2. That is why in second carbon it is OH group. That is why I am saying butane 2-ol. Right? Now here see PHC, PHOH, CH3. Again see 3 different group. It can be same, it can be different, although it is unstable, but I write it for understanding. So it is PH, CH3, OH. Okay, so it is 3-degree alcohol. Is that point is clear to you? You understand what is primary alcohol, what is secondary alcohol and what is tertiary alcohol. Thank you.